Hello, for my presentation I decided to do a forensic pathologist, and this is the correct term to use for the person who performs the autopsies and find out the cause of death. The first term I have is front stage, and front stage is where one tries to convey a given presentation of self, and this basically means what the public sees in a person. So, for the forensic pathologist, she wants the public to see that she can perform the autopsies and that she can figure out the cause of death quickly and efficiently. The second term I have is backstage, and backstage is where one prepares and where one feels free to just be. This basically means a person's private life. So for the forensic pathologist, she would not show her private life in that she is hanging out with her friends, having fun, and bowling. Instead, she would just want the public to see that she can perform the autopsies good and well. The third and fourth term that I have is actor and audience. An actor is you in interaction, and the audience is those who are not you. So for the forensic pathologist, she would be the actor, and the parents would be the audience as she is interacting with them. And the way she is interacting with them is that she is telling the parents how their son had died. The fourth term that I have is impression management, and impression management is an attempt by the actor to maintain or bring about a specific understanding of themselves in the audience. So for the forensic pathologist, she would want to be like the left side of the picture and show the audience that she can do good at her job, and not be like the right side of the picture and show that she is lazy and that she cannot do her job efficiently. The fifth term that I have is props, and props are objects to bring about the wanted impression upon the audience. So for the forensic pathologist, her props would be all of her tools and her table that she performed the autopsies on to prove to the audience that she is who she says she is. The sixth term I have is scripts, and scripts are guides for what to expect from an actor and audience. In this case, the forensic pathologist will be considered the actor, and as the actor, you would expect her to follow her scripts. For her scripts would be able to perform the autopsies well and be able to give the correct cause of death to the public as seen above in the picture. You would also expect the audience to follow their scripts, and in this case, it would be the public, but also the parents that were seen in a few slides back. You would expect the audience to be able to take the pathologist's findings well and not question as to how she got it and how she got the correct cause of death. The seventh term I have is losing face, and losing face is failure in an actor's presentation, and a loss of status, respect, and or embarrassment can be a result of this. In this picture, you can see the pathologist is giving her autopsy report to the jury and judge. However, she messed up on the autopsy report and reported the wrong cause of death to them. Since the pathologist reported the wrong cause of death, it not only caused her embarrassment, but it also caused her to lose the respect of the judge and jury. With her respect being gone, it may cause her to not have people believe her in the future about her autopsy reports, and that she lost her status as a well and great pathologist. The eighth and final term that I have is saving face. Saving face is an attempt to avoid loss of status, respect, and etc. Unlike the situation in losing face, this time the pathologist gave the correct autopsy report to the jury and judge, and this allowed her to keep her status as a great forensic pathologist, and the jury and judge still gave her the respect that she deserved.